Many of you all would have read about the recent SEBI probe on quant mutual funds. Let me try and decode this entire thing in the way you need to understand as an investor. Let's start with understanding what is front running. Let's say quant mutual funds want to buy a large quantity of Adani Power shares. And because the quantity is large, it is likely to take the price up higher. Now in the quant mutual fund ecosystem, there are only two people who know about this buying, the fund manager and the dealer. So what they actually do is, before the fund buys the share, they buy the shares in the personal capacity. Now when the fund actually goes ahead and buys Adani Power shares and the price of the stock goes up, these guys benefit when they sell those shares, and that's called front running. What should you do as an investor? If you were invested in these schemes for short term, you should actually exit these schemes, because in the near term, the schemes are likely to underperform. Because there is going to be a lot of redemption pressure, and at the same time, the market knows the stocks in which quant mutual funds have invested, and hence there is likely selling pressure on those stocks as well. But if you were invested in these schemes for long term, I would rather request you not to panic sell. Quant over the last 4-5 years has shown very superior stock picking skills, and which is why the kind of returns that they delivered. If they continue to do this, probably 2-3 years later, what you are seeing today will become a history. And hence, if you are a long-term investor, do not panic sell. I'm very happy to take all your questions. Do comment and I'll be very happy to answer them. Thank you so much.